had 3 red sheets. Can you restart that?
Yeah.
Restart it. You had 3 red sheets of paper, and when you went and go home, blue sheets of paper. Altogether, you have 8 sheets of paper. Now, how many sheets of paper did you get? 8. Subtract 3 equals 5. Look, that's so easy.
Next one.
6 people were playing ball when some more people joined, and now there are 10 people playing ball. How many people just joined the game? 10 minus 6 equals 4. And it had 10 dimes, but there were 4 ships on the dock. This morning, many ships returned during the day, and now there are 12 ships. How many ships returned today?
Okay.
Anik had 10 dimes, but then he was given some more for his birthday. Now he has 30 dimes. How many dimes did he get for his birthday? 30 minus 10 equals 20. 20. Rihanna made 28 cookies yesterday. Today she baked more cookies. Now there are 64 cookies in all. How many cookies did she bake today? Oh, okay. Method. For minus 8, we can't do this, so we add another 10, so it's 14. 6. Now it's 50. 50 minus 2 is 36. So the answer is 36. Answer.
Good.
Yesterday, Jack read 35 pages in his book. Today, he read some more in all. He read 72 pages. How many pages did he read today? Let's do it like the other one. 2 minus 5? No. Okay, it's 12. Now we add 1, 10. It's 12. Now 12 minus 7. And 12 minus 5, 7. Now it's 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 37.
Good.
And remember, if you're having a stuck with multiplication, you can do this, but it's a bit different to this. Like, you do like this, and then you like times it like 41 times or whatever. Then you need to put the number of whatever it's called and whatever, yeah. And then you give the answer. But before that, you need to also add. So then it gives the answer.
Yeah, now next one.
Farmer Bob counted 27 eggs yesterday. Today, his hens laid some more eggs, and now there are 52 eggs. How many eggs did Farmer Bob's hens lay today? Okay. Can you minus 2 minus 7? 2 minus 7? No. Now we added 10. Now it's 12. Minus 7 is 5. Now it's 4. Minus 2 is 2. 25.
Good.
25.
Yeah. Next.
Lily has 65 building blocks. This morning, her mother gave her some for her birthday. Now she has 125 blocks. How many blocks did her mother give her today? We're in a tricky one now. Five nothing. Sorry, it's the wrong way for 65.
Yeah, right.
5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 2, 4. 1, nothing, 140. Minus 42 equals 18.
Okay.
Last question.
But
Yes, last one. Yesterday, Rami picked up 87 acorns. Today, she picked up some more, and now she has 141 acorns. How many acorns did Rami pick up today? Maybe for your first try, maybe you should do without this.
no, do right there. Do right there.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Maybe we will just help you for this
Yeah.
one. Now, 7 minus 1, we can't. So we add 1.
Yeah.
So it's 11 minus 7 equals 4. Now it's 3. Now we add 1. Yeah, 3. We can't. Oh yeah, 13 minus. Now we ask 110 and then it's 13. So 13 minus 8 equals 5.
Yeah.
54. Phew, take a break if you are tired. This is getting tough.
Good.
Well, we have a lot of pages
You can
to
say
do.
something to your friends.
You can see me in You can see me in more videos. Hello, and you can see me in more videos. I have lots of videos, and you just search for my name. If you don't know my how I can spell my name is Renell, and then you just search Super Renner Channels, and then you see all of my videos, and then you can see me more with more technology or whatever it's called, word problems, and I have made already some couple of word problem videos more. So what's our score? I'll give it like 99, I guess, or 100. So I'll give it 99.
Yeah. No, you can get 100. All the correct answers.
Okay, 100. Yeah. So you just
Say bye now.
bye.